Hello, Ivy. Congratulations. Although we can't be there on your wedding day, but in spirit, we are wishing you your happiness on that special day. May you be the happiest and the most beautiful bride today. Based on your prenuptial pictures, you and Mark really look beautiful together. Ivy, take care of Mark just like your mom and dad had taken care good of you. Mark, I know you can take care of Ivy, but make sure that you bring her with you in your heart wherever you go. May you love and hold each other during the worst of times, in trust, belief, and in faith. Congratulations! Hoping for the best of you on your wedding day and the years to come. Congratulations!